Curtis Mayfield's voice didn't shout, but it moved mountains. From the dusty streets of Chicago, he rose with the Impressions, crafting gospel-laced anthems like People Get Ready that became soundtracks of the civil rights movement. His lyrics were sermons, his falsetto a gentle prophecy. As a solo artist, he broke boundaries with Superfly, blending funk, soul, and gritty urban realism to capture the lives of the voiceless. But in 1990, tragedy struck. A lighting rig fell on him during a concert, paralyzing him from the neck down. Most would have vanished. Curtis recorded his final album lying on his back, each vocal line sung one breath at a time. That's soul, that's power. He passed in 1999, but his music remains a quiet revolution. Soft-spoken, unbreakable. Curtis didn't just inspire hope, he was hope. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.